So welcome to the Zoom tutorial for students. So what you guys are going to be using is a tool called Zoom. That basically allows a virtual classroom since you guys can't be physically in class. You are going to be able to see your teacher, and the teacher will be able to see you through this app/website. There are multiple ways to access Zoom. You can use it through an iPad, you can use it through a phone, and you can use it through your computer. I recommend downloading the app for the iPad and for a phone, even downloading it for your computer when you get a link. So you will be going on to the Remind app, and there you will see a link. As you can see, there's a link that is circled, and that will be the link that you click on the Remind app. The numbers won't be exactly the same, but they'll be reoccurring for that same class. So the 3rd grade class will have the same link. A 4th grade class will have a different link, but they'll have the same link throughout the week. When you click on this link on an iPad and iPhone, it's going to send you directly to the app that you installed. You shouldn't have to sign up, but I do recommend that you do sign up. When you click on it on a computer, you're going to be asked to download the Zoom app, and you should download it because it will make your life so much easier. So they'll be called Zoom sessions. So you're going to have a certain amount of time for a class. For example, 3rd grade would have a class for an hour, 15 minutes. Then 4th grade would have a class later in the day for an hour, 15 minutes. We're purposely staggering the time. The reason we stagger the times is for families that have multiple kids in Pearl. So they can use the same tablet at a different time. So 3rd graders would have it at 12 o'clock, for example, and 4th graders would have it at 2 o'clock. Those are just example times. That isn't the actual timing of the classes yet. Once you have joined the Zoom session, you're going to be able to see your teacher. Right now you see a black screen. That would be where your teacher would be. At the bottom right corner, you can see yourself. You can also move that little screen of yourself around the edges of the entire screen if you like, kind of like FaceTime if you've used that before. On the very top right, you're going to see a more option. It's going to give you different options that you can do. You can either cheer on a teacher, you can give a thumbs up if he asks like, oh, did you guys all understand this? You can do that. If you have a question, you have the option to raise your hand, and your teacher will get a little notification saying this student raised their hand. If you want to get kind of fancy with it, you can add a virtual background. I don't recommend doing that. The next picture you're going to see is you can change how you view the classroom. You can view the classroom in 2 different ways. You can view it in the original way I showed you, or you can change it to switch to a gallery view so that you can see the teacher and then you can see the rest of your classmates. Just a warning, if you are talking during your class, the teacher can mute you from everybody else. So you want to be really respectful while you're watching these videos because the videos can get kind of loud.